Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guests, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. No need to seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guests, happy days manifest. Let's stand together.
The moody wind that once made us meet is blowing furiously down the street. The friendly breeze at our back has lately been swaying, and I don't know if you're looking for somebody better or something more. 'Cause even when you're with me, your eyes are still strange. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet. Leave the door half open, don't turn on the light. I will see the note lying on the stand. See the empty space and I will understand. And if you wanna live, take good care of you. Maybe it's about time we try something new. Maybe for a while, maybe just a fluke. The wind will just get back the same way that it took. But then the house just won't be the same. 'Cause we'll be moaning and crying your name, and I will hear your voice resound in the silence. I'm gonna browse through my old scrapbook. But I left that the way we looked up for a hint that the wind is sounding you back. So if you wanna go, make it very quiet.
He was a boy, she was a girl, that's where the story ends. Without a tear, the parted ways, and now it never says end. They lived happy, breathing's automatic. He loves the rain, she loves cocaine, and no one knows the young. He's been away, she's been around, in different ways that it happened. Breathing's automatic. That it happened. Breathing till they dawn.
始まりの朝が晴れるから旅立ちに会えたら旅立ち旅立ちの虹がかかるからなんでもないとか当たり前とか旅のかけら集めよう世界が変わるかも
Raindrops kept falling on my head, and just like the golfers with a too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit the toes. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he goes things down. Sleepy on the job it does. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes are soon be down and red. Cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Don't wake me up if this a dream, 'cause now I got everything. You're my love, you're my life forever. Late night movie in September, leaves about to fall. Stay stuck in politics, dancing in the hall. Cat cafe on Saturday, hot chocolate with babe. See you like a star, nothing better than this. Don't wake me up if this a dream, 'cause now I got everything. You're my love, you're my life forever. When the world knocks me down and my head starts to pound, you patch me up, make it all so much better. TikTok binge till the morning sun, and playing chess in bed. Long walks on the waterfront, then off to break some bread. Road trip up to Jackson Hole, Ansel Adams view. Rolling down the Snake River, laying next to you. Don't wake me up if this a dream, 'cause now I got
I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and fish start to bloat. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last day here. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, With a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to